Good morning to everyone student. Here we are going to start exercise 7.2 from chapter number 7, that is cube and cube roots. In the previous video we had already seen the definitions of cube roots and perfect root, isn't it? After doing the definitions we had seen exercise 7.1. So exercise 7.1 as well as the definition of chapter number 7 cube and cube roots is over. Here we are going to start exercise 7.2 first question. So what the first question says, here find the cube root of each of the following numbers by prime factorization method. So dear student, here we are going to use prime factorization method in order to find the cube. Okay, the prime factorization method, everybody know how to do it. That method we are going to find, using that particular prime factorization method we are going to find the cube root of the following question. So here is the first question, 64 whose factors we have to find out by prime factorization method, and that after 64's cube root we have to find out. Okay, now let's see how to find out. As we are using which method, that is prime factorization method we are going to use over here, isn't it? So what the name of the method is? The name of the method is prime factorization method. In that method we are going to find the factors of the numbers, isn't it? So 64's comes in the table of 2 how many times? 32 times. 32 comes in the table of 2 how many times? 16 times. Now 16 comes in the table of 2 how many times? 8 times. 8 comes in the table of 2 how many times? 4 times. Now 4 comes in the table of 2 how many times? 2 times, and the last 2 comes in the table of 2 how many times? That is 1 time. So here we had found out all the factors of the numbers. That 64 comes in the table of 2 how many times? 32 times. Now 32 comes in the table of 2 how many times? 16 times. 16 comes in the table of 2 8 times. Then 8 comes in the table of 2 how many times? 4 times, and 4 comes in the table of 2 times. 8 comes in the table of 2 4 times. 4 comes in the table of 2 times, and 2 comes in the table of 2 how many times? 1 time. So we had find out the factors. After finding the factors we have to find the cube root, isn't it? So in order to find the cube root of the numbers, therefore cube root of 64 is equals to, what are the factors we are having? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. So here we are having how many 2's? 6 2 we are having, and since it is a cube root we have to make the pair of the 3 numbers. Among the 3 pairs, one of the 2 come outside from the cube root. क्यूब रूट फाइंड करना है तो 3 का पेयर बनाएंगे. 3 का पेयर बनाते हैं तो जैसे ये जो नंबर है क्यूब रूट ऑफ ये 3 2 को कैसे लिख सकते हैं? 2 to the power 3 we can write it. This 3 triplets of the 2 can be written like this. Powers in the form it can be written as. Now you can see that this 2 to the power 2 into 2 whole to the power 3 will be get cancelled with this root. Okay, that's why directly 2 into 2 will come outside from the cube root, and we will get the answer for cube root of 64. That means what is the cube root of 64 is 2 into 2, that is 4. That is the answer. So what is the cube root of 64? We had find it as 4. Have you understood? This you have to keep it in mind that this pairing and the cubing will get cancelled with the cube roots. Clear everyone? Now moving towards the second part of the question. We are having the second part of the question. What is the number for the second part of the question? That is 512. Now we have to find the cube root of 512. Now let's see how to find the cube root of 512. So here we are going to find by which method we are utilizing. We are utilizing prime factorization method, isn't it? This method we are going to utilizing by prime factorization method. We are going to find the cube root of 512. So for that first we are going to find the factors of the number 512. सबसे पहले काम क्या रहता है? हमको उसके factors find करना है. So 512. So it comes in the table of 2 how many times? 5 comes, that means 2. Here 1 carry, so 5. So it will become 6. Now again by the table of 2, 1 time 2 and 16, that is 8. Then again 2, here 6, here it will be 4. Then 32. Then again 2, 1 time 6, 16 time. Then again 2, 8. Again 8, 4. Again 2, 2 and this one. So here we had find out the factors of 512. How we had find it? As 512 comes in the table of 2 how many times? That is 256 times. Now 256 comes in the table of 2 how many times? That is 128. Now 128 comes in the table of 2 how many times? 64. 64 comes in the table of 2 how many times? 32. 32 comes in the table of 2 how many times? 16. 16 comes in the table of 2. 8. 8 comes in the table of 2. 4. 4 comes in the table of 2. 2 times 2 comes in the table of 2. How many times? 1 time. So in this way you have to find the factors. If suppose you are getting confused that 512 whether it comes in the table of 2 or not, for that a trick is there. For that 512 to divide it and see that how many times it comes, because in order to remind it in the table form it is very difficult. So dear student, for that what you have to do, you have to divide it. So divide it 512 by 2, how much it will become? Here we will take 4, how many times? 4 times, 1 cancel, so 10, that is 5, again 2, 12, so 6. So how much it comes? 2 के टेबल में 512 कितने बार है, उसका क्वेश्चन कितना है? That is 256. So 256 here we are going to write. In the same way, if we want to check whether 256 comes in the table of 2 how many times, for that we are going to divide it by the table of 2. So here 2, 24, that means 12 times, 1, 6, 68, and that means 28 times. 8 times it gets. Clear? Have you understood? So in this way, the long numbers, the greater numbers you have to divide and see whether it is coming how many times in that particular table. अगर 2 के टेबल से सपोज कोई नंबर डिवाइड नहीं हो रहा है, रिमाइंडर बच रहा है, तो 3 से करना, 3 से डिवाइड नहीं हो रहा है तो 4 से करना है, ऐसे करके आपको डिवाइड करके देखना है और फैक्टर्स निकालने हैं. ओके, आफ्टर डूइंग दिस वी हैव टू find the cube root. Now we have finded all the factors of the numbers. Now we have to find the cube root of 512. So in order to find cube root of 512, all the factors how many? 3, 3 and 3. So 2 into 2 into 2, 1 pair, 2 into 2 into 2, second pair, 2 into 2 into 2, third pair. So out of that 2 pair, 1 of the 2's out of the pair in 3. Since we are finding the cube root, we have to find the pair of 3. Triplets should be there. Okay. So out of this 3, 2, 1, 2 will come outside from the cube root. Out of this 3, 2, 1, 2 will come outside from the cube root. Out of this 3, 1, 3 will come outside from the cube root. So what is the cube root of 512? 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 2 is 8. So what is the cube root of 512? That is 8. Have you understood, everyone? So here 500 cube root of 512 is 8. We had find it. Moving towards the third part of the question, what is 10,648? So here we are going to find again the factorizations of 10,608. Now look how to find. Third part of the question. What is the number we are having here? 10,648. Okay, so for this, in order to find the cube root of 10,648, we are going to find the cube root of these numbers, and in order to find the cube root of 10,648, we are going to find the factors. So first we are going to find the factors of these numbers. So what will be the factors? Here 2, 5 times, 6, 3 times, 2, 1 time, and 8 times. Okay, then here 2, that means 4 times, 13, 6 times, 1 carry, 6 times, again 4. Then again 2 here, 1 time, 3, 3 and 2. Again get cancelled by the table of, it will be get cancelled by the table of 2. 13 will come 12 times, that is 6. Carry 6, again 6. So here 3, 6 are coming over there. We can see that. What is the number? 5, 3, 2, 4. So here student, we had made a mistake over there. Here it comes 4. That's why here a mistake is there. We will correct it. Okay. So here 10, 3, 4. And this 8 will comes in the table of 2. How many times? That comes 4 times. Now moving toward the second step. 5 comes in the table of 2. How many times? 2 times. Here it will become 13. That means 6. Again 1, 6. So here 2. Clear up to here. Now next we are going to see again by the table of 2, 1 3 3 1, it will be get cancelled. Now you can see that 1331 is there, 1330, it won't be get divisible by 2 3 4 5 6 7 any number, it will be directly divisible by 11. ये जो नंबर 1331 है ये 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 से डिविजिबल नहीं होगा क्योंकि ये नंबर डायरेक्टली आता है 11 के टेबल में. अब आप बोलेंगे टीचर हाउ वी विल नो दैट it won't come in the table of 7, it won't come in the table of 9, directly it will come in the table of 11. So dear student, उसको फाइंड आउट करने के लिए आपको पहले उसको 2 से डिवाइड करके देखना है. जैसे यहाँ पर डिवाइड किया नंबर, वैसे ही 1331 को 2 से डिवाइड करना, कुछ रिमाइंडर बचेगा मतलब वो 2 से डिवाइड नहीं होगा. फिर उस नंबर को 3 से डिवाइड करना, 4 से डिवाइड करना, 5 से डिवाइड करना, ऐसे करके आपको डिवाइड करके देखते जाना है और तब तक डिवाइड करना है जब तक उसका रिमाइंडर 0 ना आ जाए. तो यहाँ पर अगर इस नंबर को हम 10 से डिवाइड करते हैं, 9 से डिवाइड करते हैं, 8 से डिवाइड करते हैं तो वहाँ पर रिमाइंडर कुछ न कुछ बचेगा. जब इस नंबर को हम 11 से डिवाइड करते हैं, है ना, तो हमारे पास यहाँ 11 बनता है 11 या 2 3 22 1 1 11. तो कितनी बार 11 के टेबल में 1331 11 के टेबल में 122 टाइम्स आ गया. रिमाइंडर यहाँ 0 आया, यदि रिमाइंडर इज 0 मतलब वो नंबर उसके टेबल में आता है. अगर इसी नंबर को हम 9 से 10 से अगर डिवाइड करते हैं तो रिमाइंडर बचेगा. इसका मतलब ये है कि वो उसके टेबल में नहीं आता तभी रिमाइंडर बच रहा है. Isn't it? Now 221 again comes in the table of 11. How many times it comes? It comes in the table of 11 times. Okay, so here 11 and 11 comes in the table of 11 again one time. So what is the cube root of the number 10,648 is equals to cube root of 10,648 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 11 into 11 into 11. This is the cube root. So among the 3 triplets, among the pair of the 3 numbers, one of the 2 comes outside. Among the 3 pairs of the number, one of the 11 comes outside. Hence the cube root of 10,648 will be 20. What is the cube root of the 10,648? So 10,648 cube root is 22. So here we had finded the values of cube root of 10,648. Moving towards the next part of the question, that is how much the question is 27,000. Now look how to find the cube root of 27,000. So by which method we are doing this? We are doing by prime factorization method. You can do it by either by long division method also or by the subtraction method also. The thing is that since in the question it is particular said about only prime factorization, that's why we are doing it. Okay, and also this don't do it by the long division method and repetition fraction method, because sometimes a pairing of triplets and squarings are there. That comes a difference in long division and while doing this repeated fraction method. So whatever the question is given by prime factorization method, then do it by prime factorization method. Okay. So here we are going to deal with the question number 4, 27,000. So for finding the cube root of 27,000, we are going to find the factors. So in order to find the factors, we are going to factorize. So look at here. Can it be get cancelled by the table of 2? Of course. See here, 1 times it comes, 3 times it comes, then 5 times, and the others may become 0. Then again 2 it will be divisible as 6. 1 carry 15. 15 comes in the table of 2. No, it won't come, but 14 comes. So here it will be 7. Giving carry 5, 0. Isn't it? Now again by the table of 3 we will see. So here 3, 2 times, 7, then again 2 times, 15, 5 times and 0. Again by the table of 3, 21 comes 7 times, 115 is there, that means 5 times, again 0. So 3. So 7 comes 3 times, 2 times, 6, 15, 5 times, 0. Now again by 3, 24 comes how many times in table? 21. 22, 23, 24. It comes 8 times. 1 is there. See, 250 divided by 3. 24 comes 8 times. Now 1010. Whether 10 comes in the table of 3. 10 आता है 3 के टेबल में? नहीं आता है. इसका 10 अगर 3 के टेबल में नहीं आता है, मतलब ये जो नंबर है 215 वो डिविजिबल बाई 3 नहीं है. इट डज नॉट कम्स इन द टेबल ऑफ 3. सो वी आर गोइंग टू चेंज द नंबर. सो ये नंबर जो है 250, वेदर इट विल बी डिविजिबल बाई 4, वी विल डिवाइड इट सी. ओके, सो डिविजिबल बाई 4 और नॉट, दैट विल बी सी. सो ये 24 कम्स एज 20. 4 5 is 20, 4 6 is 24. So again we can see that here the number 10 is left out. That means remainder 10 है, तो वहाँ पर 4 से भी नहीं होगा. Now moving toward the fifth 5, 25, 5 5 is 25. It will get cancelled and it will be 50. So here it will be answer coming as 50 and the table of 5 will applicable. Now again 50 comes in the table of 5 how many times? That comes in the table of 5 10 times. Yes. Okay, 125. So dear student, here 750 it is there, isn't it? 500 we are getting. Just wait a minute. 10,000, 27. So here moving towards the next part, 25 comes. Just wait, here one mistake is there. We will rectify. 750 is there, that will be divided by 3 or not, we will see. 6 here it will be 1. How much? 2 times? 1 can be 15. 15 that means 5. In table of 3 and 0. So that means 250. Now it comes in the table of 250. How many times it comes? 250. 25 comes in the table of 5. How many times? 50 times. 25 comes in the table of 5. How many times? 5 times. 5 5 is 25. And 0 is left, so 0 will be here. So here it will be 50. Now 50 comes in the table of 5. How many times? That will be 1 and 0 10 times. Now again here it will be goes by 2. 5 2s are 10, isn't it? Now again it will get cancelled by 1. Now it is correct. Okay. Now you can look after 1 and 2. 2 is here, 2 is here, and the third 2 is here. Then again 3 is here, 3 5s are here. Now finding the cube roots of this number 27,000, we will get the required answer as. So all the factors must be written inside the cube root as 1 2 3. 3 2s are there, it will be written together as 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 5 into 5. Okay, so here we have find that 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 5 into 5. Here the triplets of 2, 3 and 5 we had got. Okay, now since we had found the cube roots of 27, all the factors is being found. So here it will be 1 of the 2 among the triplets pair, 1 of the 2 come outside, 1 of the 3 come outside, 1 of the 5 come outside. So 2 3s is 2 3s is 6, 6 into 5 is 30. So what is the required answer for this number is, it is the cube root of 27,000 is 30. Clear? So in this way you have to solve each and every question. Clear everyone? So up to question number 4 we had completed. Rest other try to do with your own. So dear student, for today, thank you everyone. Our exercise 7.1 question number 1, first, second, third and fourth is completed. 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th we will do in the next video. So for today, thank you everyone. If you are having any doubt, can ask me. Clear? So for today, thank you.